this bit. Ribbon's got stuck to the other side. Oh, it's a new lawnmower. It got me leg off. It got me leg off, Mummy.
It looks like a scooter to me, Grace.
It does look like a scooter. It does to me.
What is it?
A bike or anything. What could it be, Mummy?
It's a scooter.
Yeah, it's a scooter for me. I wanted that scooter. Maybe he knows I like scooters.
You asked him for a scooter.
And
when
he
you
did.
saw him.
A bit of ribbon in my scissors.